Hi there guys, so today I've got this Hoover alyx thing here that my great aunt sent over for me. So it's not the best vacuum cleaner in the world, but it's alright for some people. The hose just comes out, there goes the hose, very cheap feeling Chinese plastic. It is a 2000 watt, you can see that, 2000 watt rice burner. So it is a bit dirty. I've just emptied a little bit of dirt out of it. To be honest with you, it's got quite a bit of suction, but it doesn't sound too healthy. The pedal and floor tool is broken off. I might just, keep this as a kind of backup cleaner or something. But I just got an extendable pole on it, which actually surprisingly works fine. And the thing comes out. But to make it pick up better, I reckon you could put a Henry nozzle on this. It's like cheap. It's one of them cheap and cheerful, cheapest chips vacuums that gets chucked out in 2 years of purchasing it. Right, I'll have to pause the camera to swap this round. But yes, as I was saying, it's one of them cheap and cheerful things, not like that kind of Hoover. That's a proper Hoover, that one, or that one up there, the Constellation, because that one's 1977, or even that for a cylinder vacuum cleaner, that Goblin, that's better than this piece of crap. But it works fine. I don't know if it sounds too healthy though, but I will give it a test, and then yeah, I think this will be the end of the video, and then I'll do an after clean up video of this. So here we go. It doesn't sound too healthy, it sounds like it's arcing. As you can see, it's got like a popping sound to it. I don't know whether that's arcing or what. Don't know, but someone can tell me in the comments. The video will probably be uploaded a few weeks from now. But if someone can tell me in the comments, that would be handy. Yeah, it's definitely the motor. Let's see if it will do that without this. Don't know what's wrong with that, but anyway, thank you for watching this short video, and bye for now.